Today we are driving straight into a step-by-step guide on how to file your KRA return as a content creator who receives income through AdSense. Step 1. Log in into your itax.kra.go.ke using your KRA PIN or ID number and your password. Step 2. Go to Returns, then File Returns. Step 3. Tax Obligation. Select Income Tax Resident Individual. Download the Excel sheet at point number 5, as shown by my pointer, and complete it.
Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like these.
Once you open your Excel sheet, enter your KRA PIN number here. Then tax type, you choose original. The tax period, it's definitive 1st to 31st of December. And then do you have any other income except employment income? You select yes. Do you earn any income from a foreign country? Choose yes. So once you are in your individual return, go direct to the business income section, then proceed to put your gross AdSense earnings. Convert your total AdSense income from dollars to Kenya shillings using the CBK exchange rate for that year. If you incurred any expenses while creating content like internet, equipment, editing services, you can deduct them here to reduce your taxable income. Ensure that all your expenses are properly supported by eTIMS compliant invoices in line with the new KRA requirements. Any unsupported expenses will be disallowed during the final submission of your return. Here on the balance sheet for balancing purposes, just indicate 1 on the shares and then indicate 1 on the proprietor's capital. Don't forget to apply the personal relief of 28,800 in this section as shown, and then confirm the final amount of tax you need to pay to KRA before validating your return. Review your figures carefully, ensure everything is correct, and then validate. Then we go back to the iTax portal. So confirm the tax period and choose File. You need to upload the Excel sheet that you just completed, then click Open. Select I agree to the terms and then submit. After submitting your return, if you confirm that there is tax payable, proceed to generate a payment slip and make the payment to KRA. I have already done a detailed video on how to generate the payment slip. I will attach the link in the description below. Now for someone who don't know how to calculate the total income earned, here is a bonus tip for you. To determine your total YouTube earning for 2025, simply add up the exact amounts deposited into your bank account by AdSense from January to December 2025. The figure is already converted into Kenya shillings, so there is no need to do any currency exchange at this point. I hope this helps you. If you need help or assistance in filing your returns, you can reach us through the WhatsApp number below. Thank you for watching and see you in my next episode.
Kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel.